What's up, guys? So I'm just going to do a quick video showing you guys my first mechanical watch. I'll get into what that means, but this is it right here. This is an Oris Artix GT with a day-date complication. It has a 42 millimeter diameter face, sapphire crystal with an exhibition case back, so you can see the inner workings of the watch. Let's see. As you can see, there's a little rotating disc that helps move the seconds hand forward. Well, the difference between a mechanical and a quartz watch is a mechanical watch uses springs and gears in order to keep accurate time, whereas a quartz watch is simply a quartz crystal, and they apply electricity to it and it causes vibrations, and it's those predictable vibrations that keep accurate time. Mechanical watches have been around for like over a century actually, and this particular watch is an automatic, so you can see there's that rotating disc in there. So as I wear the watch, it winds the mainspring and keeps the watch charged. So yeah, it's water resistant up to 100 meters, has a stainless steel back, and Oris is known for their distinct red disc there. It's where it says Oris High Mech. The actual movement inside this watch, it's from a company called Cititime, and it's my understanding that Oris makes some modifications to that stock movement that they get and fit a case around it. There's some labeling there. The clasp is it's a leather band with a stainless steel clasp. It's done very nicely. And it has a rotating bezel, stainless steel with a PVD coating. So what I've learned is coatings on metals like PVD, DLC, all these technologies are used in the watch industry as well. So that's kind of cool. So one quick way you can tell that it's a mechanical watch is by the seconds tend to sweep as opposed to tick. You can see. Okay, and in comparison to this quartz watch, which most of us see. See how it ticks seconds away. So an interesting thing about quartz watches and mechanical watches is that quartz watches are way cheaper than a mechanical watch to manufacture, and they also keep accurate time, 10 times more accurate in fact. But there is a place for mechanical watches. Watch lovers tend towards mechanical watches, for one, because it's a technology that's been around for 100 years. A person who appreciates fine craftsmanship will tend towards a mechanical watch over a quartz watch, which is much simpler to make. But yeah. One interesting thing about this dial too is that it has super lumina W9, so the little dots there glow green once charged with light. So that's it. This is my introductory to mechanical watches. I don't see myself collecting too many of these watches because they are kind of expensive. Thinking about getting a white-faced watch just to mix it up. It's a little more dressier watch. So one last thing, I got my large Sabinza 21 back from the spa. I had Scotch-Brite the titanium. Now it's nice and sandblasted again. I have scuff marks on it after a week of wear already, but I like that. Thanks for watching, guys.